Making Certificate Session 4. So far, we had created a canvas with a gradient color and added a portion of the picture to the canvas. At the end of the session 4, you will learn to add text and caption to the canvas. Let's add text. Now let us add name of the school and other details. How can we add text? Yes, first step is select text tool. Then click on the canvas and type the name of the school. Select appropriate font size, font color, font style, etc. to beautify the text. And here very important thing is, while typing the text, a separate layer will be added automatically. That is, no need to add separate layer for texts. And now, this is our text tool. After selecting the text tool from the toolbox, just come to the canvas and just then drag. So we'll get a box like this. Here we can see font size, font style, and font color. We can choose according to our taste. Now let's see. Yes, here we have selected the font color as red, font size is 18, and also we can select the font style. By clicking here, we'll get a drop down like this. We can select a font style according to our taste. Then start typing. Let's type Darul Falah. And also here you can see in the layer window, we can see a layer, text layer Darul Falah. All right? Okay. Yes. And let's complete our typing Darul Falah English School, Uppalam. All right. Now let's add caption to our certificate. Okay. Now, what are the steps to add caption to our certificate? Let's see. In GIMP, there is a facility called Logo to give caption. GIMP provides various models of logo. Let's select the logo Frosty. Since we are preparing certificate for Arts Fest, let's give a caption Arts Fest. Now, the serial order to create a caption is click File, then Create, then Logos, select any one, then type caption. Here, let's type Arts Fest as our caption, then finally click OK. Alright, now let's see how we can do this. Yes, first of all, click File, then Create, then Logos, and from the various models of logos, let's select Frosty. Alright? Okay. So it takes into the following window. Yes, here in the text box, we can see GIMP. Delete the GIMP in the direction of text. So we'll get a box like this. After all, type our caption Arts Fest in the text box. Then click OK. Alright. So we will get a caption window. Now this caption, this logo, Frosty is made of many layers. Here you can see many layers. Okay. Layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, layer 5. So this logo is made of 5 layers. And also each logo has been created in many layers and each layer will have different effects. In most logos, background will have any color. See, here we can see our background have white color. See, here our background will have white color. Now, observe the second figure. Observe this figure. Here we can see an icon eye here, right? And this indicates all these layers are visible in our caption. Now observe the second figure. Here we can see here these three layers are invisible. How we can make it invisible? Just click on this eye. We can make these layers invisible. So here three layers are invisible because here we have just click on these eyes. We can make it invisible, and if we click it again, we can make it visible. Now see, compare these two figures. Here this background is invisible. See, here we can see white background. Here this white background is hidden. And next is shadow. This is also invisible. Here we can see a shadow here, but here this shadow is hidden. And mate, that is an effect of, we can see here, but it is invisible here. Thus we can make, according to our choice, we can make these layers and the effects of these layers invisible just by clicking this icon eye. Alright. Now the next step is we want to copy this logo to our canvas, and here we have to keep in mind that we want to copy only those layers which are visible. Here only these two layers are visible in our logo ArtsFest. All the other three layers we have made it invisible. Alright, so just we want to copy these two layers or these two effects of ArtsFest logo. Alright, now let's see how we can do this. Yes, just in our caption window, click edit menu, then select copy visible. So here we are going to copy only those layers which are visible. That is why we are selecting copy visible. Alright. And next, in our canvas, come to the canvas, just click edit menu. From that, select paste as, then new layer. Alright, so here we can see our caption ArtsFest in the canvas. Alright, yes, so we have successfully created our caption ArtsFest in our canvas. And finally, now the pictures and titles are ready for the canvas. Now next is we want to type the field to write the name and other details of the winners by using text tool. So we have already studied how to use the text tool. By selecting the text tool, we can give all the other details of the winner's name, standard, item, etc. according to our choice. And let's finish the work. So our certificate is ready now. We have finished the work of our certificate for ArtsFest. Alright? Alright. So that's all for today's class. We'll see with the next topic in our next class. Thank you.